Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Thursday, July 28th, 2022. The time is 9 o'clock, and I am going to turn on the bot on all three of them. It's moving nicely today.
Order filled.
Well, there we go. We're up already.
Target filled.
Yeah, look at that.
Stop filled.
Yep. So we're up right away on that. That's how fast it's moving. Let's see what the strategy performance. Oh, I hit it myself. Oh.
Order
Here
filled.
we go. Oil.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Here we go.
Order filled.
Let's hold off on that one. Looks like it's going to do a little rebound up here.
Order canceled.
Yeah. Yeah, keep running. Oh, shoot. I don't have this one on. Duh. It's going to keep milking this one. I missed it on the NQ.
Order filled.
All right, we're good there. 3,000, 2,000, and we'll wait on the NQ. I didn't have it on. I didn't see it. Maybe we'll get something here. I mean, we're already up 5 grand within minutes. 2 minutes. That's got to get a little more speed before the software goes.
Order
There we
filled.
go. There we go. I think that stops a little too close. Come on, get some more steam up. Come on, buyers, you step in there. There it goes. Come on. 25, 20. I want to see some 27s.
Order canceled.
Yep. Yeah, there's the 27s. 26s.
Order filled.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, that was fast, okay? I mean, it's 9:03, and I just banked $2,240. So a total of all three of them looks like, well, let's do the math here. Strategy performance. Let's go on the right side first, the NASDAQ. Okay. 122, so 23, 21, 21 roughly. Yeah, 122, so 21. 2100. Looks like if you do this all day, or every day of the month, 71,000. 122 in commissions. This one too. Let's look. 135, 2,400. So roughly 2,300. 2,300. And 74,000 for the month if you do that every day. Same thing over here. Let's look at the strategy. 122, so 3,300, so roughly 3,200. 200. So we're at 7,600 bucks and 103 grand a month if you do that on that every day. So 7,000 between the three for like 4 minutes. Roughly 3 minutes, but who's counting, huh? All right, well, thanks for watching, and I will keep making the videos.